Hello and welcome to another quick update about Ethereum here, the Elliott Wave count. Ethereum as well, similar to Bitcoin, probably completed its Elliott Wave triangle here when it peaked at around 2019 US dollars here. We've been having this wave count on the chart now for a while, and as I said to you, after a wave E peak here in the triangle, you would expect the triangle to break to the downside. That happened. And overall, I think we have here already our wave 1 complete of the move down. So you can count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And due to the strength of the retracement, what I currently see here, I would rather count this here all as a 5-wave move. And then this here as a wave 2 correction already. Yeah, this is how I can currently see it. So this is pretty much the Bitcoin wave count that we've got at the moment here for this short-term view. So we came down all the way to pretty much very close to my, I can't remember, but it was one of my targets here in the last video, this level here around $1,700. So we reached it already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, that this here completed already a wave 1 down. And I put that into a different color now. Yeah, that we already saw here our wave 1 down. That we then already saw our wave 2 retracement yesterday. Yeah. That, by the way, for Bitcoin, that retraced much, much more. Here, for Ethereum, it only retraced yesterday all the way up to the 50% FIB retracement at 1,877. Yeah, it did overshoot it a little bit, but not much. And then we have come down, already, maybe in the next wave of the wave, well, in the next wave 3, yeah. So the next wave after that 1, 2 would be obviously a wave 3 down, consisting again of a wave 1 and a wave 2, and we might now just be in this wave 2. So basically what I mean, when you look at that wave 3, you need to be able to do this as a wave 1, a wave 2 to the upside, 3, 4, 5. And that would then complete here that yellow wave 3. What you will then see is a wave 4 to the upside again, a wave 5 down. That should then complete the overall correction. Yeah. And how far could this wave now move up? Let's take a look, and you can see why this all takes so long. And I hope with these videos you understand those charts better, because nothing is moving down in a straight line, especially, it feels like endless at the moment, because you had this long triangle. Then we move down in a wave 1. Then you have a wave 2 retracement, which is also always painful. Then you start to move down in a wave 3. But in a wave 3, you also have a wave 1 and a wave 2, which retraces quite a lot. So yeah, there you go. So that wave 2 is also retracing currently to $1,809 US dollars. The 50% FIB retracement. Yeah, we see a reaction, but I think that as a wave 2, you could expect it even to move a bit higher, maybe to 1830 or 1863 here, the 78.6% FIB level. Now it should ideally not break above $1,900 again anymore. So until we break back above that, I remain here bearish, absolutely, even short-term bearish, and it remains my primary expectation. Should we break above $1,900, I will need to look at the wave count again. And then we have found another opportunity that doesn't work. But for now, this is playing out, and it has been pretty much here my primary scenario anyway, that we're breaking to the downside, and this is currently unfolding. And this is great, yeah. So it's unfolding. Why is it great? I think is this guy crazy who thinks we need to see lower prices? But yeah, I've been talking about lower prices now for a very long time, and I still think we need to see here for Ethereum a lower low compared to the $1,700 level, just based on the Elliott Wave count. Not only the short-term Elliott Wave count, also the longer-term Elliott Wave count. We should see a lower low compared to the $1,700 level. And I've been flagging up the risk that we actually drop below that level now for many months. And and if we drop below that level, I think it would be actually quite good for the chart. $1,700, that is the level below which obviously new and lower levels or price levels will be unlocked. And if you take a look at the higher level wave count here, sorry, the internet is a bit slow at the moment, but what you already see here, that orange line that is coming up here, which is currently around $1,200, that is the 200-week moving average, a very, very relevant support level also for Ethereum. But also, if we look at the higher level wave count here, we came all the way up in a wave 1. That was back then the all-time high in May 21. As a wave 1, or in this wave 1, we obviously made a new high. Then we came down in a wave A, moved up in a wave B. And here in this wave C, in which we are, which is part of wave 2, we should ideally move below the wave A low. And yeah, basically anything between then $1,200 and $1,700 would be possible. I showed you a few support levels in previous videos, so I think first major support will be around $1,500, then we've got around $1,300, and then we've got the 200-week moving average at $1,200. How likely is it to really drop below the $1,000 level? At the moment, I can't see that. Yeah, that is like when someone asks me, could Bitcoin drop to $8,000, as many people talk about it. I just can't see it yet. Yeah, I mean, we have to be honest, in these scenarios, they allow the price to drop further. Yeah, even in my Bitcoin scenario, Bitcoin could drop to $11,000 really, but it is not my primary expectation. Yeah, and also here for Ethereum, I think we should actually find support above $1,200. Let's see what actually plays out, but I think we are really in the last legs of the correction. Yes, it seems draining, it takes a long time here, but I think we should very soon here see a recovery coming in. But first of all, we need to make that lower low. All right, that is my view about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.